students of standard 12, welcome in day 31. As you know that in day 30 I have solved all questions of exercise 5A. Okay, so today I will start to solve some question of exercise 5B. So before starting this, we will move some theory to solve the question of exercise 5B, and the theory is to evaluate a definite integral by substitution method. As you just remember, in previous class I have discussed about how to find integration of different function with substitution method. Okay, so today I will start same question but with definite integral. That means same question is with limit. Okay, so let us see what is the theory. In integration a to b f of x dx, this is the function of given function. We have to find the integration of this. Okay, when the variable x is converted into a new variable t by some relation, then we put x is equal to a and x is equal to b in that relation to obtain the corresponding values of t. That means you will have to here, suppose you will convert the function in t form. Okay, x is equal to t. Suppose that given function is x cube minus 3 plus 4, then you have to suppose here x cube minus x plus 3 equal to t. Okay, and you will also convert the limit with respect to t. Both limit you will convert both limit x is equal to a and x is equal to b. You will convert the limit with respect to t. Okay, giving the lower limit and the upper limit respectively of the new integrand in it. That means when you will convert the given function in the different form, that means in t form, given function is in, suppose that in x form, and you will convert that in t form, then the limit is also changed by your supposition. Okay, so today I will start to evaluate a definite integral by substitution method. So let us see exercise 5B, question number 1, how to solve such type of question. Students, see exercise 5B, question number 1. You have to find here integration of 1 by 2x minus 3 dx with limit 0 to 1. Okay, you will suppose here let 2x minus 3 is equal to t. Okay, 2x minus 3 is equal to t. Then after you will find the first derivative of given equation d 2x minus 3 by dx is equal to dt by dx. Okay, and you know the first derivative of 2x minus 3, 2, dx by dx 1, and this is constant of 0, so your answer is here 2 is equal to dt by dx. Okay, you will separate the term dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Okay, so dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. When x is equal to 0, you will change the limit. This is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, then the lower limit with respect to t is equal to 2x minus 3, put the value of x, 2 into 0 minus 3, then it becomes 2 into 0, 0, t is equal to minus 3. When x is equal to 1, then you will convert the upper limit, t is equal to 2x minus 3, you suppose here, t is equal to 2, put the value of x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 minus 3, 2 1 2 minus 3, t is equal to 2 minus 3, t is equal to minus 1. Okay, now see the question, you have to find the integration of dx by 2x minus 3, limit is 0 to 1 equal to integration, and you will put the new limit. Lower limit is here minus 3. Okay, and the upper limit is here minus 1. Okay, upper limit is here minus 1, so you will put here minus 3 minus 1, and 1 by 2x minus 3 is equal to 1 by t. 2x minus 3 is equal to t, so it becomes 1 by t into, put the value of dx is equal to half dt, dx is equal to half dt. Now 1 by 2 is constant term, so you will just separate the term. 1 by 2 integration of minus 3 to minus 1 by t dt. Okay, 1 by t you know integration of 1 by t is equal to log t, and the lower limit is -3 and upper limit is -1. Okay, now put the value of half log lower limit is upper limit is -1 minus log lower limit -3. Okay, half log -1 minus half log -3. Okay, this becomes 0. You know log 1 or -1 equal to 0. Minus half log, and log never come in negative form, so you will write here log 3. Okay, so your answer is -1 by 2 log 3. This is your final answer. Now let us see next question. Now students, see the question 5. You have to find here integration of function e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power 2x dx with limit 0 to 1. Okay, you have to suppose here let e to the power x is equal to 2. Okay, you will suppose here e to the power x function is equal to t. Then you have to find here first derivative of the given function d e to the power x by dx is equal to dt by dx, and you know first derivative of e to the power x is same e to the power x, and this goes to here dx is equal to dt. Okay, now change the limit. When x is equal to 0, then put the value of t is equal to e to the power x, t is equal to e to the power, put the value of x equal to 0, e to the power 0. You know power of any digit on the 0 is equal to 1, so t is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, then t is equal to e to the power x, e to the power 1, that means t is equal to e. Okay, and this is your question. You have to find the integration of e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power 2x dx. Okay, you will arrange the term integration of e to the power x by 1 plus, you will write here e to the power x to the power whole 2. This becomes e to the power 2x. Okay, dx. So you can write it as here. And now change the limit. The integration of 1 to e to the power x dx, it becomes e to the power x dx is equal to dt. So you will put here dt by 1 plus e to the power x is equal to t, so t square. So you have to find here integration of dt by 1 plus t square, and you know the integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is equal to tan inverse t. Okay, so tan inverse t with limit, lower limit is here 1 and upper limit is t. Okay, now put the value of t, tan inverse t minus tan inverse 1. Okay, so tan inverse e minus tan inverse, put the value of 1 in tan theta, tan pi by 4. Tan inverse tan cancel out, so tan inverse e minus pi by 4. This is your answer. Okay, students, today I have solved question number 1 and question number 5. Now today's class is over. Now it's time for your homework. So write down your homework for day 31. Okay, this is your homework, day 31. Do question 1 to 6 of exercise 5b. Okay, this is your homework for day 31. Do question 1 to 6 of exercise 5b. Okay, thanks all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.